Welcome! Here's what's new in PortaSwitch Maintenance Release 121. Improvement that can help you deliver an even better experience to your customers, optimize system updates, and save your admin's time. Let's dive into the key highlights. Auto provisioning now supports more Yealink and Polycom IP phones, making setup faster, whether the phones are custom-owned or provider-supplied. This allows your business customers to quickly start using the models they already know and prefer. Just activate the corresponding add-on Mac modules to use this feature. In our previous video about Maintenance Release 120, we introduced self-provisioning for programmable phone keys and corporate phone books by customers through a self-care portal. Now these features are supported for even more IP phone models. Now let's talk about system updates. Dual version migrations just got more flexible. Now you can move customer data first and transfer historical xDRs later. When you update your system with dual version PortaSwitch solution, for example moving from Maintenance Release 100 to Maintenance Release 115, your customers' accounts and their data are migrated from the old version to the new one. But for large customers with numerous accounts, the transferred data may include a massive number of xDRs, like call and data usage records, which can slow down processing and even risk noticeable service disruptions. To migrate faster and with minimum downtime, you can first transfer customer information, such as the current balance or configuration settings like the list of call forwarding numbers, and postpone transferring xDRs. Let's walk through a quick example. All telecom is upgrading from Maintenance Release 100 to MR115. The MR100 system database is copied to the MR115 system on April 20. A few weeks later, on May 4th, they plan to move a large customer ABC Company to MR115. In the meantime, ABC Company's users are still making calls and generating thousands of new xDRs. To speed up the migration and minimize downtime for the customer, all telecom decides to transfer only the xDRs from the current billing period along with the customer data. This ensures accurate invoice generation for May and gives users immediate access to their service usage history. The older xDRs from late April are transferred on May 15th, when ABC Company is already up and running on MR115, so service stays on and data catches up, ensuring a smooth system update. Now let's move on to call queues. Call queues parameters can now be set in seconds, not just minutes. That means more accurate announcements, better wait time estimates, and fewer abandoned calls. For example, if a call center manager set the average call duration to 40 seconds instead of running up to a full minute, the system calculates wait time more precisely. Callers will still hear the estimate in minutes, but now it's based on a more realistic data. Managers can also configure announcements to play more frequently, keeping callers informed and offering alternative actions, such as leaving a voicemail instead of waiting. The more precise queue timing is already available for custom self-care portals built with Porta Billing API and will soon be supported in the Porta One Cloud PBX self-care portal. Next up, a new icon now shows which accounts have assigned DIDs directly in the account list. Admins can instantly spot reachable accounts when troubleshooting with no need to open each one. For example, when troubleshooting incoming call issues for a business customer, an admin can open the customer's account list and quickly spot which accounts are externally reachable via a DID, saving valuable time during investigation. Finally, disabling invoicing now comes with clear warnings and smarter options. When you choose "Do not create invoice," the system alerts you that the existing invoices, including those pending review, can be reissued. This is important, for example, when you are reviewing a large customer invoice and may need to reissue it before sending it out. If you still choose to disable invoicing, you can now decide whether to automatically approve invoices pending review or void them entirely. That wraps up PortaSwitch Maintenance Release 121. For full release notes, visit our documentation or contact the Porta One team. Thanks for watching and see you in the next update.